Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will solve minimum falling path sum problem. In this problem, we are given an integer matrix. Our objective is to find the minimum sum of any falling path. Falling path refers to the path from the 0th row to the nth row. To solve this problem, we will keep track of the minimum so far to reach the current cell. Start with the implementation. We have number of rows. For that we will use the matrix.length, and in this problem we only have three options to select previous values, that is from the row just above the current column and the diagonally left column in the previous row and the diagonally right column in the previous row. Let's get the number of columns we have in this matrix, that is 0. So we have, let's say, matrix 0 length will give us the number of columns in the current matrix. Then we will start iterating from the first row. Rows plus now we need to handle the edge cases. We will first check whether the current column is the 0th column or not. If the current column is the 0th column, we will get values. We will compare values from the above column and the diagonally right column. This matrix of I minus 1 previous row current column and previous row diagonally right column. Else, if we will check whether the current column is the nth column or not, that is the last column in the matrix. If it is, we will compare values present in the column above the current column, that is the same column, math.n matrix I minus 1, same column in the previous row and diagonally left column in the previous row. When the column is 0, we will check the value in the same column previous row and diagonally right column in the previous row. Whereas if the current column is the nth column, we will check the value in the same column in the previous row and the diagonally right column in the previous row. Else, we will have to compare all of the above three cells. That is math.min matrix I minus 1 j, then math.min I, we have to use matrix here, matrix of I minus 1 j minus 1 1 j. Then to return the result, either we can use streams or we can use traditional for loop, and in this problem we are going to use the traditional for loop. In answer is equal to integer dot max value. Then we will iterate over all of the values present in the last row. Say num of matrix rows minus 1 and answer is equal to math box answer or the num. Then we will return the answer. Okay, we are getting compilation error. That is because we need to add a closing parenthesis. Okay, the answer is wrong. We need to get the minimum value, not the max value. The test cases are passing. Let's submit a solution. Our solution has been accepted, and the time complexity of this solution will be big O of n square, and the space complexity will be constant because we are performing operations in the existing matrix. We are not creating any additional matrix for storing our results.